Hey everyone, welcome to Mikey Grills and more. Today we are brining a turkey. Want a couple onions, a couple oranges, a couple lemons, some garlic, salt, pepper, thyme, and some bay leaves. One cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and about 4 to 6 bay leaves. That's all you're gonna need. Let's get some salt over that turkey. You want to make sure you pat it dry with a paper towel first, so it's not wet really at all, both sides. It'll take a few times. Make sure you get the back side as well. Spread it out evenly. Now we want to cut everything. Lemons, oranges, everything. Set them aside. Doesn't really matter how you cut them. You can cut them into thirds, fourths, however you want. They're just going to be sitting in with the brine to add a little more flavor to it. So take a look and kind of see what I did with everything before I put it into the 5-gallon bucket, which by the way is also what you want for anything from 12 to 18 pound turkey. At this point now, we already cut our oranges into thirds because they were huge. Same as these onions, huge. So just cut off the ends, split it down the middle, and take off the outer skin. Then you're just going to want to chop them right in half. Set them aside. Here's the garlic piece. You just want to split it down the middle. Now you saw that piece that shot off to the side. Try to take off the skin from the outside. Basically, you're just splitting it down the middle to get that flavor from the inside. Any skin, just toss out. Now we want to add the remaining salt and everything else. One tablespoon of thyme and the 1 tablespoon of black pepper coming up. The bay leaves, threw about 6 leaves in there. Now dropping everything else. Onions, oranges, everything else that you cut before. Go ahead and drop that into the mix. Now you can pick your turkey up that's in salt brine already. Put it in the 5-gallon bucket. Make sure it sits in there nicely, of course. Add ice. You want to make sure that brine stays cold. With the ice in there, go ahead and add cold water. Bring it up over the turkey, and halfway through, maybe grab the turkey and move it up and down to get everything moving in the bucket, and you'll see what that kind of looks like here at the end. But right now, just filling it up. And that's how it should look before you put the top on it. And let it refrigerate for 24 to 48 hours.